Hello, today we'll be learning about A/B testing best practices and how to set up and deploy. Before we get started, let's talk about what A/B testing is. A/B testing helps marketers observe and analyze how one version of marketing content performs alongside another. To run an A/B test, you need to create two versions of the same piece of content with changes to a single variable. You then show these two versions to two similarly sized audiences and analyze which one performed better over a specific period of time. Now, let's get started. To begin setting up an A/B test, you must go into the Dynamics 365 Marketing app. Find Marketing Execution on the left-hand menu, and then go to Marketing Emails. From here you can edit an existing draft or create a new email. For the purpose of this video, I've already created a template. Open your new email or template and design as needed. To add A/B testing, go to plus A/B testing on the left side of your toolbar. Once clicked, a test type box will pop up. This box allows you to identify what you'd like to test. You are also able to name the test, so it's easier to find and reference in the customer journey. Subject lets you choose a different subject for the B version. From name, lets you choose a different sending name for the B version. Body lets you select one or more design elements in the email body, and then change those element settings, content, or appearance in the B version. For this example, let's focus on testing a subject line. Once selected, A/B testing is now added to the draft section of the A/B panel. For subject and from name tests, the parameter being controlled by your selected test shows either an A icon or a B icon to indicate what you are testing and which version is being shown. The icon changes to match the version button you have selected. Since we're testing subject lines, best practice is to pick two subjects that are different from one another. Once you've added in your A/B testing components and your email is designed to your liking, you're ready for the last steps. Lastly, you'll want to check for errors. Any errors found will pop up in the yellow box and indicate which elements need to be fixed. Once it's good to go, you can hit Go Live. Hitting Go Live will allow the email to be used in a journey. To ensure your email has gone live, you can go back to your marketing emails, find your email, and see the status. Once it's live, that's when you know it's ready for the customer journey. To add an email to a customer journey, toggle to your left sidebar, and under Marketing Executions, you can find Customer Journey. Click Open, and from here you can create a new journey. There are also various journey templates to pick from. Once you've selected a journey, or if you're starting a new journey, your first step is to pick your audience. Remember, to produce reliable test results, you should always send each version to a minimum of 100 recipients before allowing the system to choose a winner. A typical recommended setup would use a 1,000 member segment or more, with a test distribution that sends version A to 10% of the segment, version B to another 10%, and then sends the winning design to the remaining 80%. It's possible to run an A/B test with as little as just one or a few recipients for each version, but this can often result in an uneven or non-random distribution of versions and unreliable final results. We recommend that you only do this while experimenting with the feature. Once you've set your audience, add an email tile to your journey by clicking on the plus Add button. Select your A/B testing email. From here you can start configuring the tile. Scroll down the Properties panel until you see the A/B testing switch, and then toggle it to turn it on. This will open the A/B test settings. Select the name of the A/B test that you want to run on this tile. Remember, you can only run one test at a time. Set the A/B distribution to choose how many contacts you'd like to include in the test. Half of the test audience will receive version A, and the other half will receive version B. Then set the winning metric, and choose whether to decide the winning design based on the click-through rate or on the open rate. Next, set the test duration. This is used to establish how long the test should run. For best results, we recommend running each test for at least 24 hours, or longer if possible, especially if you are targeting a worldwide audience. Lastly, set the If the results are inconclusive, send drop down and choose what to do if the test doesn't produce a clear winner. You can choose to send version A, version B, or a random 50-50 split of both versions to all remaining contacts. You can run each test just once, on a single email tile in a single journey. As soon as you configure a journey to run a test, you won't be able to select that test for any other email tile or journey. If you'd like to run several tests on a single design, then add more tests to the A/B test panel. Ensure to name your journey, so you can find it when it's time to look at the A/B testing results and analytics, as well as set the time for when you want the journey to send. Lastly, finish setting up by checking for errors. Once confirmed, hit Go Live. This will activate the journey. To check the status of your A/B test, open up the customer journey. Select the tile where you are running the A/B test. Scroll down to the bottom of the data panel for the selected email tile. Here you'll see a display that shows the name of the test, the percentage of contacts that you sent each version to, how much time there is left in the test, and which design was declared the winner. Select the View Details link to get even more information about the test results. This opens a dialog that shows KPIs for each design from the test. In addition to viewing A/B testing results in the journey, you can also see the results of an A/B test by opening the message itself. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions about A/B testing, or anything discussed in this video, please comment, reach out to us on socials, or visit our website for more information.